Hello, 你好，你好。Good morning, 早上好。Good evening, 晚上好。Goodbye, 再见。Thank you, 谢谢。You're welcome, 不客气。Sorry, 对不起。It's okay, 没关系。Please, 请。Yes, 是的。No, 不是。Excuse me, may I ask, 请问 How are you? 你好吗？ I am fine, 我很好。I'm not good, 我不好。I am tired, 我累了。I am hungry, 我饿了。I am thirsty, 我渴了。I understand, 我懂了。I don't understand, 我不懂。Can you speak Chinese? 你会说中文吗？ I can't speak Chinese, 我不会说中文。I can speak a little Chinese, 我会一点中文。What's your name? 你叫什么名字？ My name is 我的名字是。Nice to meet you. 很高兴认识你。I am from 我来自。I am American. 我是美国人。How old are you? 你几岁？ I am 22 years old. 我22岁了。Do you have siblings? 你有兄弟姐妹吗？ I have an older brother. 我有一个哥哥。I don't have any siblings. 我没有兄弟姐妹。Where do you work? 你在哪儿工作？ I work at school. 我在学校工作。What's your job? 你做什么工作？ I am a student. 我是学生。I am a teacher. 我是老师。What do you like? 你喜欢什么？ I like to listen music. 我喜欢听音乐。I like to watch movies. 我喜欢看电影。What do you like to eat? 你喜欢吃什么？ I like Chinese food. 我喜欢吃中餐。Can you cook? 你会做饭吗？ I can cook. 我会做饭。Can you swim? 你会游泳吗？ I can't swim. 我不会游泳。Do you like sports? 你喜欢运动吗？ I like running. 我喜欢跑步。I like playing basketball. 我喜欢打篮球。What day is today? 今天是星期几？ Today is Monday. 今天是星期一。Tomorrow, 明天。Yesterday, 昨天。What time is it now? 现在几点了？ It's 3 o'clock. 现在3点。Where do you live? 你住在哪里？ I live in Beijing. 我住在北京。My home is in 我家在。Have you been to China? 你去过中国吗？ I haven't been. 我没去过。I have been there once. 我去过一次。Where do you want to go? 你想去哪里？I want to go to China. 我想去中国。I want to eat. 我想吃。How much is this? 这个多少钱？It's too expensive. 太贵了。Make a little cheaper. 便宜点。Give it to me. 给我。Do you like tea? 你喜欢喝茶吗？I like coffee. 我喜欢喝咖啡。Do you drink water? 你喝水吗？I don't drink alcohol. 我不喝酒。Can you sing? 你会唱歌吗？I can sing. 我会唱歌。This is my friend. 这是我的朋友。What color do you like? 你喜欢什么颜色？I like blue. 我喜欢蓝色。It's hot today. 今天很热。It's cold today. 今天很冷。I am cold. 我很冷。I am hot. 我很热。Can you help me? 你能帮我吗？Please slow down. 请慢一点。Can you speak more slowly? 你能说慢一点吗？Is there Wi-Fi here? 这里有 Wi-Fi 吗？I need to go to bathroom. 我要去洗手间。What's this? 这是什么？I need help. 我需要帮助。Be careful. 小心。No problem. 没问题。Wait a moment. 等一下。Please wait. 请等一下。Let's go. 我们走吧。We have arrived. 我们到了。Is there a problem? 有什么问题吗？I don't know. 我不知道。I am happy. 我很高兴。Good luck. 祝你有好运。Have a nice day. 祝你一天愉快。